Better?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Did you get your foot stuck?
Yeah.
Your foot was stuck, but it's better now.
Yeah.
Good.
Better.
Good.
Mommy.
Yeah.
No.
Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Dada. Dada.
Grover?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dada. Dada. Dada.
That's Grover.
Yeah. Dad. Dad. Dada.
Dada. Grover.
Dada.
Grover.
Yeah.
Yes, Cyrus. Are you going to be nice? Kai, are you drawing a line? You just drew a nice line. Grover.
Yeah. Dada.
No, that's Harry.
Hey.
Mhm.
Dada.
That's Grover. Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
That's Harry.
Hey. Dada.
Grover.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Mama.
Elmo.
Yeah.
Beautiful circle. Cyrus, I'm only going to come when you tell me that you're ready to be nice. You need to tell me, Mommy, I'm ready to be nice.
Yeah. Dada.
No, I think that's just a monster. I don't know who it is.
Dada. Dada.
Grover, that's
Yeah.
right. Who's this? Who's this one? Who's this?
Papa.
Big Bird.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Pillow.
Yeah. Board. Board. Board.
That's a house.
Ow.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's Elmo's grandma.
Mama.
Mhm.
Mama.
Mhm. Grandma.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Dada. Dada.
No Grover.
Dada.
He's not there.
Dada.
No, that's Cookie Monster.
Mama.
Yeah.
Dada.
Get down, Satin. Get down. Grover's not there either. No Grover.
Dada.
Mhm. There's Grover. There he is.
Dada.
Uh-huh.
Dada.
Grover.
Dada.
That's right. Lots of Grovers, huh?
Dada.
No more. No Grover there.
Dada.
Grover.
Dada.
No more Grover. Just that one.
Dada.
Grover.
Dada.
No,
Dada.
he's not on that page. Turn the page. There you go. I see Grover. Where's Grover? I see him. I see him riding his bicycle.
Dada.
Yeah, he's on a bicycle.
Dada. Dada.
I see Grover. Grover's right there.
Dada.
Yeah.
Dada. 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 Dada.
No Grover. He's all gone.
No. Dada. Dada. No.
He's all gone.
Yeah.
And you said bye-bye? Did you say bye-bye to Grover?
Bye-bye. Dada. Dada.
Grover.
Dada.
Oh, no, all gone.
Dada. Dada. No.
No, all gone.
No.
Gone.
Dada.
Yeah, there he is. Grover's here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's him too.
Dada.
That's right. You gonna draw on him?
Yeah.
You wanna draw a circle around Grover?
Yeah.
You draw a circle around Grover with your marker? Can you circle him? Good. Here's how you draw a circle, okay? Like this. Go all the way around. There you go. Get a circle around Grover.
Mario.
Cookie Monster.
Yeah. Mario.